Good day guys and welcome to Daddy Cake's channel. So what we're going to do now is do an unboxing. So this is the new product of UV CARE named Room Zapper. So it's a UVC germicidal disinfection that kills bacteria and viruses. So let's go to the side. So based on the company, it's safe and chemical free, powerful UVC germicidal lamp, laboratory tested, ozone free, sterilizes air and surfaces, and recommended by doctors. And of course, according to the International Ultraviolet Association, UVC helps prevent COVID-19 transmission by reducing contamination. So this is from the International Ultraviolet Association, okay? Then, of course, warning, warning, warning. Avoid eye and skin exposure, okay? Direct exposure to UVC light is harmful to your skin and eyes. Okay, so Room Zapper kills 99.9% of viruses, bacteria, allergen and molds, and its sterilization is 360 degrees with two options: 30 and 60 minutes sterilization and 5 meters induction automatic alarm with motion sensor that automatically turns off. And the coverage of this one is 20 square meters, okay? If you're going to use Room Zapper, it's best used for hospitals, schools, offices, bedroom, living room, and kitchen. And like we said, it covers 20 square meters of area. Let's open it. Let's see what's inside the box. Alright. So first, wow, it's nice. So it has a foam cover, then the machine itself. So this is the machine with covering for the lamp, and this is the protection metal with, I think this is the cord. Alright, so yeah, I'm correct. So this is the cord, which is taped on the side with protection cover, and also included in the machine itself is the warranty information of Room Zapper, or yeah, okay. And let's see what's inside of the box. So that's it. This is the warranty card and another foam protector. Okay, so that's what's inside the Room Zapper box. We'll clean everything inside and open it to test. So we'll just remove this covering for the lamp. It's nicely wrapped. Hold on. Okay, was able to successfully remove the foam that is in the lamp. So just stir this one up and we'll try the lamp. So we'll just follow the direction to operate this one. Anyway, so the parts: lamp, protection, metal case, seems solid, on and off switch, the lock button, lock mode, 30 minutes, 60 minutes. And on the lower part, you will see the model, name of the, call this item, then what are the rated power and voltage, alright, then sensing range 5 meters. So we'll try this one out. So you heard it. Then long press on lock mode. Then press on the on button, then I choose 30 minutes. So it's turned on. Press the lock button, then press on. Turn on the unit, so it's turned on, then choose the desired time. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your fellow bosses, and be sure to subscribe.